this is Study with Mo. So today we will be doing Maths BMA June 2025 Paper 1, question number 4. So without using a calculator and showing all your workings, evaluate 5 whole 2 by 3 minus 2 whole 4 by 5. Give your answer as a mixed number in its simplest form. So we cannot use the calculator. They have asked, okay. So 3, 5 into 3 plus 2 minus 5, 2 into 5 plus 4 minus 10 plus 4 divided by 5, which is 17, 3 minus 14, 5 equals to 3 5s are 15. So 17 into 5 minus 14 into 3. Let's give it a bracket. So 17 into 5 is basically 85 minus 42 and 15. 85 minus 42, 5 minus 2 is 3, and 8 minus 4 is 4, and we have 15. So they have asked not to use the calculator. 43, 15, 15 twos are, we know, 30. So we have 13. So now 2 whole 13 by 15. So 2 whole 13 by 15 is the answer. And we're done with number 4.